with going over to Lowe's to pick up a interior door for a house that I rent, and yep, that's about it. The interior door lock got worn out, so I'm gonna just replace the door because it's an old door with an old locking system, and should be pretty simple, I'm thinking. But you know, always when you think it's simple, it's not. But let's hope today's easier, because I got a lot to do today. I got a good feeling about it. Alright, I'm gonna stop at my mom's house and pick up the van, because this vehicle just doesn't quite fit an 8-foot door in it. You know, like, it's just a little too close, and this is a lease. So it's like, I don't want to ruin a lease, you know, and this is a truck that I use for like deliveries and stuff. So shout out to Grandpa Jake for that one. Alright, so I've come to the conclusion that I'm just going to try and fix the door. I'm a better painter than I am a carpenter, and the door just got broke because I couldn't get the lock open. So I could probably just fix the break in the door just like a car, essentially, with some bondo, and then just paint it. So I'm gonna go in and pick up the door now and get a better look at it and bring it back to the house, and then I'll assess from there. Okay, so at the property, I'm gonna look at the door to see if I could fix this. Take a look. So this is the door. You can see I busted it to get into the lock. So now I'm just gonna bondo this door up and fix it instead of buying a new one, because this door is actually better than any store-bought ones because it's actually solid wood.
And we'll take the time out with the score. The Bengals starting the Browns 23 on the University Hospital's Cleveland Browns Radio Network.
This holiday season, make quicker steak and...
Yeah, so just putting on the final coat here, or not final coat, but final step, painting the door after we use the bondo to cover up the damage. Just rolling on some white latex, glossy white. It's good. It's like trim and door paint, or I should say trim paint, real heavy. So with these doors, you want to get the corners real nice and then do all the flat areas with the roller. Just basic painting stuff. Again, I would rather fix the door than spend $50 on a new door that's not even as nice as the old door. You know, this house was built, or this rental house was built in 1924, and it's just a good property. And I've got a really good tenant that I appreciate, and I like to take care of her and her family. She's a real nice person. She took in her family, you know, to help them when they're older. So they're all living together there. So I do my best to help them out. Is that jack of all trades, master of none? Yeah, it could be. I'm a work in progress. And here is the final product.